In this video I'm going to show you how to put text behind people. So let's get started. Open CapCut. Add your video. Now write text you want to add behind person. Drag text to full video. Now export the video. Now create new project and add both videos, with text or without text. Now create overlay without text video. Now drag it below the layer with text. Now click Cutout and remove background. Text behind person effect is ready. Now export the video.